accepted.
Yeah, well, that's kind of a somewhat of a break, but I hate to squeeze it too hard because it'll start poking holes in this material. But.
All right, I'll be right over with you.
Get a picture of him carrying that mirror over here.
That's heavy.
Get a picture. Get a picture.
Russian
Get a picture.
weightlifters.
Get a picture. Get a picture.
Filming. Get a
Come on,
picture.
push the button. Don't let him sit there and hold it.
Yeah. Quick.
What do you got? 84.
Shoot basically
A little longer. It's 40-minute violation.
Put the camera in position.
Okay, I will go with 320.
Al, could you put the camera
I'll
in
do that
position?
one now.
And I'll try to get this light.
Yeah.
And because I'm in like
Those scratches were actually introduced during the fine grinding process.
It's easier to contaminate than others.
So we'll take a look, but we can't see them as much. We'll only see the strong ones. But you've got glass tiles, and those glass tiles are softer than the Pyrex that you have here.
Right.
So you shouldn't scratch the Pyrex. If chips break off the edge or something like this thing.
Now the ceramic tiles are harder than glass.
Not the ceramic tiles, but the porcelain tiles.
Yeah.
Whatever. Yeah, they're using it.
Well,
What are those?
the reason I bring that up is because Francis left a tool here. This was a tool made by somebody. Those are ceramic tiles.
Yes.